So how can you use the compass on your Android phone? Let's get started with this. So naturally, it kind of depends on your phone, but if you go to the apps drawer and look up the compass, you may or may not be able to find an app. In my case, I can see one, but that is one I downloaded from the Google Play Store and it wasn't built in by default. So based on that, you're gonna need to do some different things. All right, obviously, you can literally just go to the search and type in compass like that, and so many different options which you can then download and start using. So it doesn't matter which one you go with because they all just have different UI, perhaps some features, but they will all access the very same sensors, right? So if you get an app like this one, it seems fine, and I can actually just rotate my phone and see in real time that it does work quite well, frankly, right? At the bottom, I can also see the strength right there, so I can see in real time how well we are doing, and I can also check out the sensor status. So it is in fact using the built-in magnetic sensors of my phone. And this is kind of important to mention because not every single phone has to necessarily be equipped with it, right? So it is possible that some phones simply don't have it. And for this, to find out this information, you can get an app like this one, which is called Sensor Box. And this app can test multiple different sensors and parts of the phone. As you can see, you might get an ad, but regardless, it can allow you to test out your magnetic sensor, right? So if you have it built in, you can test it right there. And then once you're sure that you do have it, you can get any app from the Play Store to make sure that the compass actually has an UI or like a way of functioning. But that's how it works. That's how you can use it. Let me know below if it worked. Subscribe and I'll see you later.